Hey, welcome back to Between the Keys. This is Never Too Much by Vandross. Okay, song's in G, kind of starts on a G chord as well. There's a G chord for you. G over A in the bass. Kind of like a sus chord or a slash chord. And then it goes down a semitone. And then up 3 semitones. So G over A, G flat over A flat, G over A again. We're going up a semitone, A flat over B flat, and then A over D is where we finish. So that's the intro. Ba, ba, na, 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 bum, 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 bum. And those are fourths, A and D, B and E. Bum, 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 bum. The bass note there goes don, da, don, 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 bum. All right, that's B, B, A, B, D flat, D, G flat, G. So bum, 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 bum. I always used to double that part with the bass player in the band. And then we have again, bum, 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 G over A to A over B. And that goes around again, bum, 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 bum. And then we come in with the verse, which starts on A over B right there. I can't fool myself, I don't want nobody else to ever love me. G major over A in the bass. You are my shining star, my guiding light, my love fantasy. And we go back and forth between those two chords. Often he plays it twice. Bum, 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 na. There's not a minute, hour, day or night that I don't love you. You're at the top of my list 'cause I'm always thinking of you. I still remember in the days when I was scared to touch you, how I spent my days dreaming, planning how to say I love you. Must have known that I had feelings deep enough to swim in when you opened up your heart and you told me to come in, oh my love. And now we go to the B section, or the next part of the song. It's E minor 7, I should say chorus really, it's the chorus. Oh my love, and we got this melody, which is B, D flat, D, E, G flat, B, as they start drilling outside my apartment once again. Perfect timing. Oh my love, da 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 da, and we go E minor, G flat minor, G, boom, boom, boom. 1,000 kisses from you is never too much. Yeah, alright. 1,000 kisses from you is never too much. Back to E minor 7. And we go boom, boom, boom. Once again, you should play G over A there, not G over G. Boom, boom, boom. G over A. A million days in your arms. A over B is never too much. Back to E minor. This is the chorus. And we play G over A, I just don't wanna stop, A over B. And he goes, I just don't wanna stop, never too much, never too much. The first part of that lyric is too much, there's no never. So he starts with, I just don't wanna stop, too much, never too much, never too much, never too much. And we play that intro line again, G over A, ba, da, da, da. Down a semitone and then up 4 semitones. However you want to look at it, but it's the refrain or the intro chords again before we go back into the ba 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 and then ba ba ba. Woke up today, woke up today, woke up today. Gotta find that lyric, where's the melody gone? Ba ba ba. I woke up today, there it is. I woke up today, looked at your picture just to get me started. I called you up but you weren't there and I was broken hearted. Easier to sing it down the octave for me. Hung up the phone, can't be too late, the boss is so demanding. Opened the door up and to my surprise there you were standing. Who needs to go to work to hustle for another dollar? I'd rather be with you 'cause you make my life scream and holler. Love is a gamble that I'm so glad that I am winning. We've come a long way and yet this is only the beginning. Oh my love, Now sometimes I used to play Oh My Love like that, G over A, B minor, as I jog the camera once again, apologies for that, G over A, B minor to E minor 7. Ba, ba, na. Oh my love, back to the chorus, alright. Oh my love, 1,000 kisses from you is never too much, and I just don't wanna stop. Oh my love, E minor 7. A million days in your arms is never too much. Alright, and I just don't wanna stop. Oh my love. And he goes round again on the chorus, round and round. This is kind of where it goes round and round, and then we have an outro, which is the same thing. We just go round and round this chorus. Oh my love, and I just don't wanna stop. Sometimes in that old wedding band we used to go round again, and I think we might even go back to too much, never too much, never too much. I must stop hitting this camera, I'm so sorry about that. Alright, if you enjoyed the video of Never Too Much by Luther Vandross piano tutorial, then click like and subscribe for more, and let me know in the comments what you want me to teach you next. Which song would you like? I've got a whole list here of the 100 top jazz standards I'm working through, and the next one is Body and Soul. But I've also got famous pop songs, I'm a Believer, Shape of You, Ed Sheeran, the Pokemon theme, that's a cool one. Alright, all kinds of stuff coming soon on Between the Keys, and I shall be there and see you there on the next one. Cool.